Okay, so you might be trying to download iOS 16.7.7 on your iPhone, but it's just not showing up here in settings. Well, here's how you can fix that. So first off, just go into settings. Next, go down to general and scroll down to the bottom. Then press on VPN and device management. And it's very likely that you'll have an iOS update profile over here, so just press on it and press on remove profile. Then type in your passcode and press on remove again. And then you'll have to restart your iPhone before moving on to the next step. Now the next step for your iPhone is just to go into settings. Next, go down to general, then click on software update. So you'll see iOS 15.7.7 show up here, which means that you can download it. Now that is how you get iOS 15.7.7 on your iPhone. If you liked the video, then consider subscribing to the channel, and I'll see you in the next video.